Alright, for this video, I'm going to create a simple module and create some functions for the modules and run the function and see the outcome. Alright, to do that, let's create a module in the controller QUnit. Go to controller, my project instances window, click on controller and select module. Alright, and under modules, there's already a main modules created automatically when the controller is being added into the system. Right click on the modules and click on insert new. Key in a name to the module. I call the module demo. Alright, double click on the demo module and create a function for the module. Note that the function I'm going to create is a global function, which means that this function can be called anywhere on the controller or the touch panel. Alright, so I'll create this function global. I'll create the function this way. Right click, insert code unit. The function that the type of code unit I'm going to create is function, and the name of the function is sum two numbers. Alright, the function is going to be global and the type of return is going to be a long number. So as the name implies, this function will return the sum of two numbers. So click OK and the function will be created for you. Now I have to insert parameters to the function. So I have two parameters, value 1 as, or I can call it number 1 as long and number 2 as long. Alright, so the return value of the function is a long. So what I'll do next is very simple. I'll just return value number 1 plus number 2. Alright, and now I've created a global function by the name of sum of two numbers and taking in two parameters, number 1 and 2, and returning a number. And the function is used to add up the two numbers. Alright, now to execute this function, I can either run it anywhere in the controller. Let's say I want to do it in the main module. Double click on the main module, go into auto execute, and what I'll do is that I'll do a debug print. Alright, demo sum of two number. I'll do a sum of number 3 and 5. And what I'll do next is that I'll do a simulation start. Click on the CVC and the sum of two numbers is 8. As you can see, when we do debug print, the time of the debug message will actually be printed on the side, followed by the QUnit that sent out this message and the message that has been sent out. And the message is supposed to be the value of 3 plus 5, or the sum of two numbers. Now, since the function is global, let's see what would happen if we put the function, or rather put the same debug print message in the touch panel. Alright, we go to the touch panel, go under modules, go under main, and here we put in debug print demo sum of two numbers. But no, however, this will not work because there's no demo modules being created in the touch panel 1. So what you need to do is to drag and drop the controllers go back to the controllers in the project instance, go back to demo and drag and drop this command into the module. And what you will see here is that you need to put in the controller full stop tab followed by the name of the module followed by the name of the function in order to access it from another device. Alright, so similarly, do a simulation again. And here you see controller 1 give you 8, touch panel 1 give you 8 as well. This shows the functionality of the touch panel executing a function on the controller and returning the value and doing a debug print for the touch panel itself and returning the same value. Alright, this shows the capability of the panel to be able to execute a function on the controller and expecting a reply from the controller. Alright, with this, I would like to end this short video demonstration. Thank you. Goodbye.